Hello. Welcome to Pro.IT.Solutions YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Revit 2024 already installed error. There are many methods available on internet to solve this error, but they are very difficult to follow. And none of them works properly. This error is very difficult to solve, but we will fix this error in a very simple and easy way. Firstly, we will see how the error looks like. Follow the steps carefully to fix this error. This is 100% working method. 1. You have to download this zip file provided in description of the video. 2. Turn off antivirus software. This step is not necessary, but sometimes antivirus can block Revit files and will not allow our software to fix Revit corrupted files. 3. Extract these files with the help of WinRAR, and then you will get 10 files. 4. Run the file A with administrator. 5. It will automatically scan all problems that stopping Revit from getting installed. This is an automatic process, you only have to wait. Press any key to continue. It's done. Now we will again try to install Revit 2024. I have offline setup of Revit 2024. If you have online Revit installer file, then you can open that file. Process is similar. You can see, error has been removed. Revit 2024 is installing. It can take some time to complete the installation. You can buy our software from the link provided in video description. Installation is completed successfully. Let's open Revit 2024. You can enter your license information and start Revit. Thanks for watching. This is 100% working method. I have tested it in more than 100 computers. You can download our software from link provided in video description. Thanks.